Hey, what's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Ooh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am TonyaNicole, for you guys that may not know, and welcome, you guys. I'm so happy to have you. So I was just sitting around. I said I need to go run a couple errands. I need to go to Target. I need to go to Walmart, do some things, you know, real quick. Let me throw a quick little face on. I said, well, hold up, wait. I don't have no boxes coming in this week. So let me show my friends what I do when I'm just on the go, trying to get out of here quick. I'm gonna show y'all my quick face routine that I normally do. And I use this for work, for errands, for sometimes like little date nights, whatever, really, because it's so basic and it's so simple but so cute. So guys, if you want to see this basic affordable makeup face, I guess, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you do for your everyday basic face. Okie dokie smoky. So y'all, I am getting ready to go run a couple errands, and I said, why not just come and film a little video for you guys just to show you all what I do really quick. I already did my brows off camera. You know, once I'm better with the brows, I will do like a brow tutorial on like show y'all what I do, but right now it takes too long. It's just such a struggle, so we're just gonna eliminate that part for the time being. But I did want to come to you guys and show you all the pencil that I used today. I did use the Makeup Revolution pencil here that I got in my Ulta haul, but I've been using the Wander Beauty one a lot. But guys, this one, I think I like that the color is a little more of a softer brown. It doesn't look too harsh on my brows. I actually like it. The Wander Beauty one is good too, but I noticed throughout the day as I'm wearing the makeup, my brows get a little darker, and I don't like my brows to look too dark. And I think that this Makeup Revolution one did the job really good today. It doesn't look too dark, too deep. It just looks like a perfect brown. So I definitely want to let you guys know that I used this Makeup Revolution pencil today, and I've really been loving it. We will stop all the talking, and we're gonna get on into this video. I already wet my sponge, and this is the same sponge I used in my last video, the e.l.f. sponge that I have been really loving. I'm gonna use this to spread the foundation out and to apply concealer and all of that good jazz. So guys, without further ado, let's get right on into it. So for foundation today, I'm gonna use an oldie but goodie, and I always use like my drugstore foundations whenever I'm just doing like an easy breezy face. So I was in between shades on this one. I have 355 and 356. 355 looked like it could be my shade. 356 sometimes looks a little too orange on me, so I really was confused. Recently, I tried 356 again, and I think it's more of a match than 355. I don't know, guys, but we're gonna use the Maybelline Super Stay foundation in the shade 356 today, and as y'all can see from the bottle, I have been killing it. So I'm just gonna apply it on the back of this little tray. Actually, it's my candle little top that I've used, and this is the foundation right there that we're gonna use today. I'm just gonna use this brush to apply it because I don't wanna get my nails dirty, guys. So we're just gonna apply the foundation. My face is already prepped. It's already primed and moisturized up. So we are ready to go. I'm gonna take the end of this sponge and just start buffing that right on into the skin. This is one of my favorite foundations, guys. I don't have to color correct with this foundation or nothing because it's so full coverage, it's so thick, it's so skin-like, and it's so pretty. I love it. Oh, I love it. I just wish that it wouldn't just look so orange sometimes. Like sometimes I just get like an orange tint. Like now, I feel like it's looking quite orange, but we're gonna see once I add the powders and stuff. But it is a good match for me once it dries down. And this sponge is amazing. If you guys have not tried this e.l.f. sponge yet, y'all are asleep. Y'all better wake up. Nice, affordable sponge. I don't think it's even more than $5. Yeah, look at that. They just blended out so pretty and so seamless, like gorgeous, right? We're gonna add a little more because I see some of my spots. Why do I have glitter on my face? Oh, there was glitter on the doggone sponge, guys. I'm like, I see glitter here and I don't know why. Okay, so there was glitter on my sponge. My little niece came over earlier. We're just gonna add a little bit more because I don't use a lot of foundation when I'm going out. I really don't. But as I was saying, my little niece came in to visit me earlier. And she always wants to play like makeup and stuff. So she must have somehow put some glitter on my sponge that I'm using today, because when she came over, I was setting up for my video. So yeah, that's okay. She also put this little Band-Aid on me because we were playing like she was Doc McStuffins and I was the patient. And we all blended out. It just looks so natural, guys, just so pretty. I find when you do use a lot of this foundation, that's where the orange color may come from. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you have issues finding your shades with this Maybelline Super Stay. Because I guess I could just bounce between both, but doesn't matter. For concealer, it looks like we're staying in the Maybelline family, and we're going to be using this Age Rewind one in the shade Tan, which is one of my favorite ones. I showed you guys this one in a video a while back, and the little applicator thing I really don't like, but the formula is gorgeous. I also like the CoverGirl one as well. This one here, I got the shade Golden Caramel, and this one turns, like, after a while it turns green on my skin for some reason. So the coverage is great. That's how it looks right there. But I'm gonna have to go in and see about another shade, because this one after a while starts to look green on my face, and I really don't like that. So we're just doing like a little light conceal under the eyes. So we're going to blend this out like so. But you know, the circles around my eyes have been like killer lately. Girl, I don't know what's been going on with my little eyes, but they have been so dark. So guess what? We're gonna just kind of conceal just a little bit, just to, you know, make it look like we've been fresh all day. Like we wake up fresh looking. Ain't no sleep in these eyes, boo. Yeah, right, huh? But this is one of my favorite concealers, and this is actually fairly inexpensive as well, guys. This is like, I think, $8, and I even went into the Dollar General, and I see that they even sell it in Dollar General. Now, I did not conceal on the top of my lip today because that is for more like a dramatic look to me, and I'm just trying to be as natural as possible. So I'm just gonna take whatever is left over on the sponge and kind of go like, you know, underneath my nose and stuff like that. I'm not gonna, because I'm not trying to really do too much. We're just trying to, you know, look alive when we go to the store or wherever y'all gotta go. This is just a quick little face I do. Sometimes I'll put this effort in when I'm going to work. Most of the time I don't, though. I just, well, for work, I'll just put on my ColourPop foundation, the stick, and just go. Put a little bit of powder on top of that, put a little wing liner, and go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's check our face, see if we blend it out good. I think that is a winner. So just to set underneath my eyes, I'm telling y'all, we're keeping it very natural today. I'm gonna go in with the Black Opal Soft Velvet Finishing Powder here, and I have the shade Medium. Let me show y'all what it looks like. That's what the powder looks like. I've used this before in videos, and I actually really like this powder, and it is so like inexpensive and so fluffy and natural looking underneath the eyes. Sometimes I don't want like that super bright highlight under my eyes. I just like, I don't want to look like I put too much effort into anything when I'm just going to run some errands. Just, you know, natural look. And you see how natural that looks, but it still looks like so airbrushed. I love it. Ooh, I love it. It's not too yellow, but it's not too orange either. It's like the perfect medium neutral color. Beautiful. And again, it doesn't make me look like I put forth too much effort at all. So guys, to powder up the rest of the face, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Super Stay powder, this foundation powder, full coverage powder, and I have the shade 355. We're just gonna set it on all of the places that I did not powder, and I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush just to kind of, you know, set those little areas around the perimeter of the face. And whatever's left, I just kind of take it over just to kind of blend everything out. Now, normally on natural beat days, I do not put on the lashes, but today, yeah, we will, because I love wearing lashes. So we're gonna go in with these Zula lashes here in the style Iris that I had received in my lashy box. So I'm gonna prep those, you know, put some glue on it. So I'll be right back, y'all, right? We have our lashes cooking. For bronzer today, I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade, what shade is this? Endless Summer. This is one of my favorite bronzers, guys. I mean, I absolutely love it. It's like the perfect shade. It looks a little light in the package, but it goes on very pretty. And I'm gonna use the Morphe E42 brush just to kind of bronze up and just give our face a little bit more of a little bit of color, you know. Just a little bit of color on the face, like that. Yeah. See, it's not too much, but it's subtle enough where you could still see a little something, but it's not like really deep, but it's beautiful. It just gives you that bronzy glow. Like, oh, I love it. Love it. Just add a little bit down there, but oh yeah, y'all, this is like the bomb bronzer. I love that bronzer. Y'all want to do a little blush today? Y'all think we should put on blush? Whew, that's really going a little far. We're gonna put a little blush on because I'm like the queen of extra. So we're gonna use the JCat Beauty Blush Me Cheeky palette here. And I am going to go in with the shade right here on the bottom. I don't know the shade of it, but the name of it, but this one right here. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on our cheeks. I'm just gonna use my ColourPop brush there. And we're gonna mix, I'm actually gonna mix these two together because I don't want it to be too bright, but I mean, I'm just putting a little, y'all, a little bit just to give me a little bit of a rosy look. That's it. But you still want to look like, you know, oh girl, you're blushing, girl. I know. And for eyes today, we're going to use our Morphe bronzer or bronze tour in the shade Showmance right here. Let me open it up for you guys. It's this deep, beautiful brown that you see right here. We're just going to use a little bit of that over the eyes just to give us like a little bit of color on our eyes. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe M505 brush. And I mean, we're just going to pick up a little bit of the bronzer. And we're just gonna sweep it all over the eyes just to give it like a little bit of, you know, color. Just to give it a little something, y'all. Just a little bit of something. And by it being fall, y'all know we could get away with wearing like a lot of browns and stuff, which y'all know I don't follow the rules. I wear whatever color makeup I want to, whenever I want to. It doesn't matter the season for me at all. Simple, huh? Yeah, girl, we don't do all that over here. Less is best, but you want to look like you put forth a lot of effort. And that's all I'm doing. Oh, I'm lying. I need to draw a quick wing. Now, I'm going to tell y'all right now, the wing game is not good at all. So this eye is probably going to look great. This one probably will not. So I'm just going to go in with this Mellow Precision Pen eyeliner here. And we're just going to do a quick wing look. I definitely need to work on my wing game, y'all. Definitely, but let's try. Let's see how this eye is gonna come out. Well, I think this side is longer, so let's just try to extend it. Girl, that's good enough. Told y'all the wing game is not strong at all, y'all, at all. We're just gonna use some mascara just to get our lashes prepped for the lash application, guys. Just gonna add a little mascara to the tip. I will tell you this though, I love a good wing, I really do. They really make your look, you know, come together. They really do. Now we're gonna add our lashes. Then to the other side like that. Okay. Lashes are on, eyes are popping. Y'all see that? Y'all see it? We're just gonna take a little bit more of this bronze shade and put underneath our eyes, like to kind of smoke out the waterline. Just like that. That's it. Quick little look. And for lips today, do I want to go in with just like a basic gloss, or what y'all think I should do for lips? I mean, we are keeping it, y'all, we keeping it all the way basic. Well, look, before I do that, let me go in with these brows and kind of comb them into place a little bit. They're looking a little scraggly. There we go. Okay, so I think for lips today, so I have this brown pencil in coffee from NK Makeup. I probably got this out of a hair store or something. And I'm going to go in with this Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss on top. We're not doing anything too crazy today. So let's line our lips up. And we're gonna do a quick little gloss. And I love this Alamar Cosmetics gloss in the shade Mother of Gloss. I love it. It's beautiful. It's like a bronzy gold color. It just complements my skin tone so well. Mixed in with that brown liner, it looks just so natural. Cute, isn't it? Look at that. Cute. And then we're just gonna set our face with our Catrice Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. We don't highlight on days like this today because it's just like not necessary to really highlight. Just take our sponge and just press it right on in to the skin. And this is our final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm starting to now get into more of doing tutorials on this channel. Y'all know that originally I just wanted to unbox, but I am getting more into doing little things like this for you in between us getting boxes, because I know you guys have been asking me to, and I actually like to do it. Actually, I do. But I just always was so nervous about doing my face on camera. So I'm getting a little more comfortable with it, guys, and I look forward to doing many more of these. I also, y'all, have my short hair on today, you know, rocking it. I also dyed it jet black. Well, it's like a blue black, but at first I thought it was a little too dark, but I'm actually like feeling it. Once I've washed it a couple times, it's actually starting to grow on me, this color being so dark, because I always wear brown hair, but I'm kind of sort of feeling this. So yes, guys, we're gonna throw our little hoops on, and then we're going out the door. Well, I need to change my shirt because I just have on a regular little t-shirt. Head on out to the store and see what goodies I could find. And yeah, guys, so I hope you guys love this video. Like I said, you will be seeing more of these from me on my channel. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to your girl. Also, if you have not done so already, give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys like seeing these videos from me and want me to continue, just please hit the like button, comment, let me know your thoughts. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go curl my hair up more though. I want it to be a little more fluffier. Give me real sex kitten hair, you know what I'm saying? Guys, that is all that I have for this video. Until next time, my next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Peace.